Hi, to set second space on your POCO F6, as a first step we need to open settings on the phone and search for the additional settings tab. Now, after that, in the special features you would see second space feature. So go in here and as a first step turn it on by pressing the blue button, and now it is creating our second space. So basically you'll have like two phones in one. And now it created successfully, so we just need to continue and here select lock screen type using a password or a shortcut. I'm gonna select password and let's continue. And here we need to set second space password, so let's set it now. We will need to confirm first space password first. Just enter your phone's password and after that create the PIN code for the second space. It should be the same length as first space. So just enter it, tap the continue button, after that confirm it. And now we can also set fingerprint for the second space, but I'm gonna skip this step. And now let's check the changes. So here is how the second space looks. And to manage it, just return back in this additional settings. Then as before, you would need to find this tab second space. And here you can see your second space password. You can change it. You can set a fingerprint. You can add shortcut in the settings. Enable home screen shortcut. Enable to show notifications from second space, to show lock screen notifications. And to show home screen shortcut, show notifications from first space as well. Here you can move data. So go in the app settings and select which app will be in the first space or in both spaces or in the second space. Here you can see this option switches between spaces, so with the help of this feature we can switch to the first or second space. Here also enable the second space icon to show second space icon in the status bar. You can also delete second space with its data if you messed up. And let's go in this switch in between spaces. And now it is switching, so here is my first space. You can see how the wallpaper changes as well. And now let's delete the second space. For that, we would need to just open it first, enter the password, and here select the option to delete it. Now confirm your password, enter it. Here select items to move, tap the continue button, select move, and now we got only one space. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.